Hello everyone, I'm Pam and I love to teach people how to use Canva. All the little tips and tricks. Canva has dropped several things in the last month or so. I'm just going to go over one little thing today and I'll make other videos. But this is something that would probably come in handy when you, of course, are designing. And the majority of people design in Canva, right? This is something that we've been able to do on photos and stuff like that, but um, not this yet. It's basically you're going to go to elements, click on shapes. I've only been able to play with this on shapes. If you can do others, beautiful. Myself, I'm only able to do the shapes. I'm going to use the heart here. And as you can see, the effects comes up right here. And look at this. Pretty cute, huh? All right, we can do a drop. See how it gave a little drop there? Glow, echo, and you can even work on that. Like that's kind of cool. Direction. You can work on the direction. And then there's the glitch, and like this color wouldn't go good with it. Then I would probably pick a different color or something. Let's go over to edits. Now here, and the same thing, you can do offsets, you can change the colors, you can do the direction. That's cool. So there we go. You could change the color. All right. Now, here are some advanced ones you can do. You can do radioactive. That's kind of cool. Gives a little highlight. Retro, midnight. Let's go back to these things. It looks like you can do the same direction. There's that. Malibu, that's kind of cool. And you can do the intensity, all that. That's good. Digital, I like that. Now, if you want to change the color, you just go up here to the color and let's see here if we wanted, like that. What else is there? This is pretty. Let me see if I can change out the colors and then go to effects. It's just going to be that color, I guess. You can do the intensity and then VHS sunset. That's nice. Metallic and then laser. That is really fun to do with an shape element. So I'm going to, let's pick this color. Let's go to effects and let's do, I'm just playing around, guys. Okay, I'm going to do Malibu. Okay, let's see about the color. Yeah, effects. Right, so I just wanted to show you guys this effects. What you are going to do again, just so if in case you forget, let's go back over here. It is elements and shapes, and you can pick any of the shapes. Even, I mean, let's do a cloud and we'll just do it one more time so you guys can see this. Go up here to edit and it's going to be the effects and edit the floating bar above. Okay. And like we can change the color, effects, radioactive, all this fun stuff. And then remember, you can do the direction too in the offset. All right. Hey, think about ways you can use this in your designs. Okay. Thank you.